track and do Goodwood style events and that there, which would have been. Both Wink Up and Lowndes called pit stops. But the best bit gold was when Marcus Ambrose. You got to take your opportunities like that when you can. Just a tagging one.
Jimmy actually came back. Fancy told him,
there in Bathurst in 93 and 95, especially memorable, because that was Ingles' first win at Bathurst, when they were a lap down in the first lap, because he got that puncher. You come in and he come out about 8th in the queue, but a lap down, and he come back and won the race. When that safety car came out, there was about 10 cars in front of him, but there was about 5 where he already lapped and all that, and the way the crowd went off every time he overtook another car. And then the heartbreak when Seaton, his gearbox went on halfway up Mountain Straight, going up the top of the mountain just before the cutting, you'd see him backing in. And that's one driver like, I know I'm a totally biased Holden man. Hey? Gearbox. Look, I'm 100% biased